So this is my temporary setup, and you might be wondering, why temporary? Well, after many years with my old setup, I was bored of it and thought that if I wanted to keep improving, I needed to start a new chapter/setup. You can see I did my first setup and I'm collecting all the new parts to build my dream setup, which if you are subscribed to my channel, you will see very soon. Of course I need a setup to do my work, so that's why I built this. So starting with the most important part, this is the Sarkun gaming desk which I built in the Sword series, building a full gaming setup from scratch. I upgraded with the Gobi Neon Rope Light, which thickness is the same as my desk, so it fitted like a glove. By the way, I also did a short about this. For the chair, I'm still using the same auto full gaming chair and I upgraded with some rollerblade wheels with brakes. Again, there is also a short about this on my channel. Now moving to my screens, I'm using a dual 27 inches IPS monitor setup. The only difference between my main monitor and the vertical one is the resolution and hertz. So my main one has 120Hz and 1440p resolution, while the vertical one has only 1080p resolution combined with 60Hz. Some accessories that I use for my monitors are my monitor light to save space on the desk and light my setup on the night, and also my dual monitor arm to raise the monitors to my eye level, save space and get the ideal layout while improving the aesthetics of my setup. Now for peripherals, I went for a black topographic desk mat, so it fits with my black desk and my wallpaper, which you can download for free on my Discord server. Link to join is in the description of this video. This full-size keyboard is from Junsi and I only changed the keycaps for these ones, which are more comfy for typing and also look better. It has Gateron pre-looped red switches. I also got this custom black premium coil cable which looks amazing. If you wanna know more about this, I did a short build in this kit. Moving to my mouse, I use two. One is for work and it's the Logitech MX Master. And now for gaming, I use the one from Force, which is super light and wireless. I kinda like it. Let's talk about the audio and microphone. So I still use the same products as in my old setup tour. It's not the best, but also it isn't bad. Now this might be the best part of the video. Let me show you my custom and unique PC build. So this case is the Antec P120 Crystal, where I fitted a screen in the PSU hole. This screen can be used for cool things such as PC themes or animated wallpapers. If you want to know how to add a screen to your PC, again, I did a short about it. I also have my custom AIO in this build and some cool stuff such as neon strips or an RGB SSD. If you want to know more of my PC, here are the specs. And well, I think we talk about everything here. I mean, the setup isn't quite big, you know. So yeah, I think I don't miss anything more. From my point of view, this setup is good enough and I thought it deserved a dedicated video. But stay tuned because I will build my dream setup quite soon, so make sure to be subscribed. I see you in the next video.